What up, YouTube? This is your president, the presidential terrorist, back with another taste test food review slash maybe recipe review video type thing. Some of you might have heard of the famous or infamous Diablo Sandwich from the movie Smoky and the Bandit. I haven't seen the movie in years, but I remember seeing it when I was a kid, and I remember liking the movie at the time. And of course, my dog has to bark right at the moment when I'm starting. But anyways, there's this famous scene where the bandit's sitting in a diner, and the sheriff comes in. Of course, does not realize that the bandit's right there, and he orders the Diablo Sandwich. You know, there's a lot of people wondering what was exactly the Diablo Sandwich. Now, you'll see a whole bunch of videos of people cooking what they think it is. There's really no official recipe on paper. Some might claim to have gotten something from a cast member or someone that worked on the set who made the sandwich, but unless it's from an official source, you can't really say. So there's several recipes. Some say pulled pork, some say ground beef, some say it might have been ground turkey or chicken. Some says it's made out of like a barbecue-based sauce. Some is saying it's like a Texas Pete hot sauce that's mixed in with the meat. To me, it looks more like a spicy barbecue sauce with pulled pork, but it's real. You can't really say for certain what the sheriff Jackie Gleason was eating. So there's a lot of videos making what they think it is, and this is going to be mine. But I thought, instead of just doing that, why not making it the laziest, the easiest way possible that you could make what possibly is the Diablo Sandwich. And I'll put a link below to a video where you can see that scene. I would love to try exactly what he ate, but I don't know it. So I'm going to show you the laziest way possible to make it. And it involves 3 things only. Hamburger buns. We know it's definitely on a bun. And then, why make pulled pork from scratch when you could buy it and be really super lazy about it? So I bought this sauceless, was it Curly's pulled pork. And then to make it even more lazier and easier to make, I just bought a spicy barbecue sauce. This is raised, no sugar at it, sweet and spicy. Now I think, since it's called Diablo Sandwich, I think it was extra spicy. I heard that the restaurant that it was filmed in, which is no longer there, it was part of a chain, and one of them had like an off-the-menu their version of it, where it was basically pulled pork and Texas Pete hot sauce. So if I wanted to make the spicier, I could add a 4th thing, add some Texas Pete. I'm not going to. Now, this is my version of it. But, like I said, this is my version of it being the laziest, easiest way to make it with these 3 things. So, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put this together and have some. I'm not going to show the cooking thing. Basically, what it is just slapping this in a pan, pouring some of the sauce in there, mixing up, heating it, slapping it on a bun, and then eating it. I'll make the sandwich in the next part. You'll see it, and then I'm going to try it. But anyways, that's my version. There's better, more thorough versions, making it from scratch. If you want to see those type of videos, just search on the YouTube search bar. But here mine is. Alright. You know what that means. Let's get to it. And like I said, I'll put a link below so you can actually see that scene. You've never seen that movie. I haven't seen it in years, but I always remember that scene. I always thought that was really funny as hell. And Jack Gleason and Burt Reynolds, who I actually met, they just worked really well together, I think. Alright, down to the next part. Okay, I made it. The laziest way possible to make the Diablo Sandwich. I said I only need 3 things. Buns, and I bought the cheapest you can get. The meat, which was already cooked, the pulled pork, and spicy sauce. This probably isn't as spicy as it should be. But I think it's pretty much what it was. It was just a really spicy barbecue pulled pork sandwich. That's what the Diablo Sandwich is. So, kind of made it, I mean, it probably don't taste like exactly how it did, but there it is. Mmm. Definitely needs some more spice, but still pretty spicy with that sauce. Alright, well, if you want to make a Diablo Sandwich, and you want to make it the laziest way possible, well, I showed it away. You need 3 things. Pulled pork already cooked, spicy barbecue sauce, and rolls. And that's it. Alright. And if you want a more comprehensive, better one, well, there's recipes out there. You can make them from scratch. But this is the laziest way possible. And I did it. Alright, thanks. Bye.